Hi, and welcome back to another Hungry Cumin adventure cooking video. So today it's actually going to get a little cold here in South Florida, a little meaning under 40, so that's cold for South Florida. And I just looked through the fridge to see what I had. I know I had some potatoes, I had a ham bone, I have some seasoning, some vegetables, so I'm going to go ahead and make a potato and ham soup, or una sopa de jamón y papa, for our Spanish speaking audience. If you're here for the first time and you love cooking videos, and especially cooking videos in an RV, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so you're notified of our next videos. So, quick, simple, Instapot meal. Football's on. I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so we're going to go ahead and make an Instant Pot potato and ham soup. Let's get to it.